नमस्कार मारा आज मारा वारकार शिवरात्रि उतर तो आज डून मावस आज वारकार वनकस सुबनसन यथ ये मम्मी सतन प्रेपन यहान कर सारी रिचुअल्स विल हैव अ प्रोसेस बस क्या क्या अन वन ना बस आस रामगढ़ अन Right be mola. Just see. I want to take it around. This is beautiful. Great, 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 great. Right mola. Right mola. Right Ramgarh bola. Can I shoot how many? Tau shuzan person. Wal diwar kar. Right mola. Ramgarh. Great. Chalo great. Beka jai anun. Saturday Sunwar हाँ ठीक शुमार है क्या हाँ थर्ड पाने Sunwar से so again you know that जय जय भगवान शंकर की I'll just show you briefly around 1 second just the beauty of the nature, the beauty of the life, the beauty of the morning. Great green. And just see that you maragai cow put, and in the morning you need to. Kashmiri Pandits were always, for that matter, they were respecting the animals, the birds, and with the biodiversity. This is just a diversion. This is this cowpert and the greenery. And now, one catch you, I have to be very fast, otherwise mummy will just. She is going to rebuke me. One catch you, Anun Mola. Aja God is there. Aja Sanwar is अच्छा Paige फटाफट क्या इनमें ऑक्सीजन मारते रेट मोले रेड सलवार
ताची सत्रुश
हैं ब्याक से मारता नहीं बस दोन सेकंड मजे क्या विचा वापस थाउन
ये मुसरो
आजा अच्छी प्यार थाउन सुते जस्ट टुडे just I have to very respectfully, very quietly and with all due respect and of course empathy and the greatness I have to just put it there. Now, as Amokchian in here, Pate so Biak. You go on away. Vestur to Chian on Emukan.
Sat Sotrosh house on Monday, Dali Mino.
I just Satrosh Kachi.
Suyaso, you sushi. Satalon,
I just Satrosha, you got the yacht court. Acha. Tabor, just I have to go very fast. Satrish. Acha, Sadi Asmadai, Dunchi. Acha. Okay. This is the seat of all these ganas and seat of all these very important Bharatis of, Bhagwan Shankar. Acha, you Satrish Shaks Manan. Oh, great. You never wapas money.
I put him to you,
Shambhu Parvati, great. अच्छा डाला ये सत्रेश चलो थाम जान एक बंद क्लास फर्स्ट क्लास पर चलो you know oh great you have to keep it with all due respect and